Good morning to all. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Python language in 12th standard computer science. Chapter 5, Python language. First, let us see the introduction to Python. Python language was developed by the person Guido van Rossum. He is a person developed Python language in the year 1991. He is a person developed Python language and it was developed in the place CWI, Centrum Wiskunde and Informatica. Actually, it is a research institute in Netherlands. In this place, Python was developed by that person. The name Python, it was introduced from the comedy series, BBC comedy series, Monty Python Flying Circus. It is the name of the series. From that, the Python name comes. And Python is a general purpose language. It supports both procedural and object-oriented programming language. These are the introduction to Python. Next, what are the key features of Python? As I told already, it is a general purpose language. It is a platform independent language. Wherever it was created, it can open anywhere else. That is platform independent language. When compared to C++, Python programs are easy to read and understand. Coding is very simple when compared to the previous languages. We can write the coding easily. We can get the answer very fastly than C++. And here there are many versions of Python is there. Here we can see the version 3.x. This is a version using in computer science, 12th standard computer science. And it can download from the website www.python.org. From that you can download Python. Now let us see the programming in Python. There are two modes of Python programming is available. One is called interactive mode, second one script mode. What is interactive mode? It works like calculator. Simply you type the Python coding, that place itself you can get the answer. That is called interactive mode. No need to create a file, no need to save the file like that. Next is script mode. Here separately we can create a new file, type the coding, save the file, run the file. That is called the script mode. On the spot you are typing the coding and get the answer, that is called interactive mode. Script mode, here you can work with the files. Separately you can create a file, you can save it for later use. And here you must know about compiler and interpreter. In C++ we are using compiler. The compiler converts the entire program. After typing the entire program only, compiler will convert. It is used in C compiler, C++ compiler. But in Python, we are using interpreter. Interpreter compiles line by line. Each and every line will be compiled. That is called interpreter. Line by line it will compile and get the answer. It is a difference between compiler and the interpreter. After typing one line, interpreter will compile. After typing the entire program, compiler will compile the program. That's all. Next, we can enter into programming. First, let us start with interactive mode. How to open interactive mode? Click on Start, All Programs, Python 3.x. There you can take IDLE, Integrated Development Learning Environment. It is a path to open Python. Or you can see this icon. It is an icon, Python icon. Double click on this, you can open the Python window. The interactive mode, how it works, I said, it works like calculator and it is a prompt. When you double click on this, you can get the prompt like that and you can type the coding, immediately you can get the answer. See this example. It is a default prompt when you enter into Python and simply I am giving print inside the double quotes welcome I am giving. Answer you can get as welcome. That's all. See the screen, it is an interactive mode. Here when you enter into Python, you can get the mode like this. This is a Python prompt. Here you can type the coding, you can get the answer. See this example. I am entering into Python. Simply I am typing like this. Print Python programming language. You can get the answer. That's all. And you can start with the next coding. X is equal to 10, y is equal to 20, z equal to x plus y. It is a coding I have given. In Python, there is no need to specify the data type. That is very easy and important one. Whatever you want, integer value, float value, simply you can assign the value, that's all. No need to specify the data type. X is equal to 10, y is equal to 20 and z equal to x plus y. Next I have given print the sum is equal to z. So in z, x value and y value will be added, stored in z. Now 10 plus 20, 30 is stored in z. Before that I have given the message, the sum equal to. So the output you can get like this, the sum is equal to 30. It is called interactive mode. Interactive mode, it works like this. Very easy. So simply you type the coding, you can get the answer. Next, we can go for script mode. What is script mode? It's nothing but like C++. You can create a new file, you can type the coding. As usual, you can say compile, run the program. It is editable. Once you create a script is nothing but a file which contains Python statements. Once you create the file, you can edit as many times as possible. Easy. And how to create a script? First you enter into Python. After that you can go for file, new file, or shortcut key Ctrl plus N. A new notepad will be opened. There you type the Python statements. After typing the statements, you can save by click on file, save as. File, save as dialog box appears, opens. In that type the file name with .py extension. File will be saved. After that, after save the file, you can run the file with the command run module or press F5. That's all. See the screen. After entering into Python, you can take a new file like this and here you can type the coding. After typing the coding, you can go to file, save, give the name. The name will be displayed in the topmost title bar. Then after save that, you can click on run module. When you click on run module, it will display the answer in interactive mode like this. Suppose if there is any error, it will be displayed here with red color. By seeing that, you can correct the error. After correcting error, once again you can save the file, you can run the program. So the answer is what? The sum equal to 440. The same. Okay students, in this video, we have seen about 2 modes in Python programming. Next, remaining concept we can see in next video. Thank you students.